Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Jay, and today we're going to be talking about the advancement of AI technology and how it helps creatives in every aspect of work as a whole. So there's been this saying that AI has come to take our works away from us and leave us jobless. Well, if you don't know how to manipulate AI, how to use it, well then you're going to be the one sitting there without job. So I've been getting this question, right? Like, how do you color grade your videos? How do you get this output? How do you do this? Well, I do have a technique that I work with, but today we're going to be using AI to edit a video and see how the outcome is going to be. So without further ado, let's get into it. So today we're going to be using the newly updated ChatGPT-4, and we're going to give it a screenshot of a color grade that we want to use on another video. So we'll be using ChatGPT-4, and as well, here's the video that we're going to be using. This is just a video of someone working in the market. So let's get into it. All right, so firstly we're going to start off by heading to our browser and opening up the ChatGPT-4. Now with the recent update, now ChatGPT-4 can allow the input of images, screenshots, or you can just get a picture or files and add to be able to get results. You could add documents to summarize them, you could add pictures as reference, and whatever you can do just to be creative to get information out of it. So let's start by providing this image and then ask ChatGPT to give us the color grades for this image. Now we'll select this, let's add. Okay, so it's loaded. Now we'll input the message to ChatGPT. So now let's start off like this, right? I'll say, hey GPT, hey there. Okay, let's do hey there. Hey there, I want you to use this image as a reference for color grading of video. Provide me with all of the settings to get the same output. Also, do this as a creative director of a documentary. Well, that might make sense. And let's generate this. So here are the responses, and okay, so we're getting a lot here. And there are also responses for, it's also giving results for Premiere Pro. That's nice. Okay, color wheel. I actually love that it gives these settings and then it breaks it down along with the final touches as well. So let's go with this, right? We'll then read out the first part. So ChatGPT's response here is, as a creative director for a documentary, achieving the color grading similar to the reference image involves detailed analysis and adjustments in post-production. In post-production software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. So it gives a step-by-step guide to help us recreate this look. So here's the analysis. The overall tone, which is the image, has a muted, slightly desaturated look with a focus on yellow and brown. And if we do look at our image, yes, we do have that. It does look that kind of yellowish and brown at the same time. The color palette. So dominantly warm hues, which are yellow, beige, and brown, as we said before, with low saturation, highlighted hues, almost white, but with a warm undertone. Definitely. So we have basic corrections like white balance, exposure, contrast, and tone, shadows, highlights, midtones, color adjustments, and what have you. But we'll get down to the Adobe Premiere Pro setting, or the settings you can use within um, DaVinci Resolve and other softwares. So we have the basic correction. So let's start off with the basic correction, right? For today's video, we'll be using CapCut to edit this. There might be some features within CapCut that might be available, so be aware that this edit or this outcome will not be exactly to that of the reference image. By carefully following these steps and settings, you can achieve a color grade similar to the reference image, creating a visually cohesive and dramatic look for your documentary. Now, this is the mobile version, so if you're using these settings within Adobe Premiere Pro, you'll definitely be closer to, getting these results. So this is the image on here, and the settings are kind of differently. The shots that we have is more overexposed compared to the one that's angle. Yeah, as you can see, it's slightly similar. So going by these settings that ChatGPT has provided, you just mainly have to work your way around if you really don't work with the software that it recommends. But these are dope. These are nice. They're pretty close, and you can tell they're basically the same. Not far out, but they're pretty good. So that's it for the recent updated ChatGPT-4 and how you can use it to manipulate your video edits and color grade your images. So that's it. Until next time, we'll keep doing other projects, keep showing you other examples and all that. Until next time, see you in the next video. It's your boy Jay. Bye.